Thanksgiving might only come around once a year, but cooking up a spread is something we can all do all year round. Instead of going out and buying a pressure cooker, crock pot, slow cooker, and Dutch oven, why not settle for something that does it all? Like the 5-in-1 Instant Precision Dutch Oven. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. The 5-in-1 Instant Precision Dutch Oven turns 5 cooking appliances into one robust cooker, able to braise, slow cook, sauté, sear, and reheat a wide range of foods. So what's in the box? Specs and features. Accessories first. In the Instant Precision Dutch Oven comes with a silicone pad to protect surfaces, as well as silicone handle covers for serving. The oven is made out of cast iron, coated in a glossy enamel, with the lid stainless steel knob the only exposed metal on the entire cooker. On the front of the cooker, you'll find the easy-to-use digital touch interface for fast, exact control. It's here where you can select one of the 5 intuitive preset programs. There's braise, slow cooking, sear, sauté, cooking pan, and warmer, just in case your chicken soup is ready early. Use the included silicone mat in handle covers, and you can serve directly from the pot itself. So what do we like about the Instant Precision Dutch Oven? For someone like me, following a recipe is the only way I can cook without burning the house down or causing food poisoning. So the included recipe book is a godsend. Other than that, the Instant Precision Dutch Oven cooked every dish we threw at it perfectly. So, what's the downside? The manual mode is exactly that, completely manual. You'll constantly need to monitor the temperature of your cooking creation if you choose this option, and results can vary. So, what are other people saying about the Instant Precision Dutch Oven? Steve and Amy write, "We've been making soups, chilies, etc. for low cholesterol dishes and enough for several days. We were using the stovetop, but this really simplifies it. Just let it cook without hovering over the stove." HRB writes, "The Precision Dutch Oven is clearly shown making bread with it. After receiving the product and then looking at the recipe booklet that came with it, it states the cooking technique, electric Dutch oven, but someone mentioned to me that it in fact needs a standard oven to make the bread. So I contacted the Instapot customer service and they confirmed that this does not bake bread, but is only used to proof the dough, which I don't need help for anyway." So, what's the verdict? As a braiser, slow cooker, searer, sautéer, cooking pan, and warmer, the Instant Precision Dutch Oven does its job perfectly. The manual mode, however, can be hit or miss, depending on what you're cooking. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. And the Instant Precision Dutch Oven could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Instant Precision Dutch Oven, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.